Welcome to Artistics Art Studio. Today we are making a phone case DIY. We'll take an old phone cover and paint it with black color. Make sure the whole phone case is painted with black color. Paint the full case with black color. Now we'll take a rounder and pencil to make marks. Now we'll start making dot art. We'll make a white dot in the middle, and now with a small dot tool we'll make yellow dots around the white dots. Now we'll make white dots in between yellow dots. Make sure the quantity of the color in the dot is proper. Now we'll make light blue color and make dots in between and around white dots. Then we'll take a big dot and make dots with pink color. Make sure the color is proper quantity, and we'll make again yellow dots in between pink dots. Again we'll follow the same process. We'll make big white dots on the top of yellow dots, and now we'll make yellow strokes. Make sure you take same quantity of color in the dot tool, and now we'll take light green color and we'll make dots on the top of white dots. If the color is not proper and if the color is not equal, the dots won't be the same size. And now we'll take the same color. Make sure you take when you are making these white dots, don't take the color again and again. Now again with the help of pink color we'll make small dots, and again on the top of white dots we'll make yellow dots. Now we'll make purple dots on the top of white dots, and then we'll make big orange dots so that we make a half moon over here, and every dot quantity should be equal so that every dot is equal. Now with the help of pencil we'll make strokes, so that we'll make stroke with pink and white color. First we'll make a straight stroke, then two curved strokes, one on left side and one on right side. Same we'll do with white color, but on the opposite direction. And same process we'll repeat: left stroke and white stroke, curved stroke. How beautiful it is looking. This is called dot art painting, or dot artwork. Lastly, once it is totally dry, we'll do varnish. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment and share.